Not all sedans are built the same, and the Lexus IS 500F Sport Performance Premium is here to shake things up. If you've ever driven an IS, or even just spotted one on the road, you know it's a solid choice. But this version? It takes things up a notch with a powerful V8 under the hood. Lexus has been crafting reliable, long-lasting sedans since the early 90s, and while the IS has evolved over time, it remains a standout in the lineup. It's fresh, powerful, and effortlessly fun to drive. Everything loyal Lexus fans could ask for. Speaking of loyalty, my first car was a 2001 IS 300, and I've been hooked ever since. If Taylor Swift has Swifties, what do IS lovers call themselves? ISCs? Lexusists? Whatever the term, count me in. The 2024 Lexus IS 500F Sport Performance Premium starts at $63,370, with our test model featuring just one factory upgrade. 19-inch matte black BBS forged wheels, $2,450. That brought the total to $66,970, including a $1,150 delivery fee. For a nearly 500 horsepower V8 sedan, that's a pretty reasonable price in today's market. The IS 500 checks all the boxes: sharp styling, thrilling performance, and a comfortable, well-equipped interior. Lexus is known for building exceptional cars, and this one is no exception. Its exterior design is timeless, striking the perfect balance between modern and classic without trying too hard. Inside, my favorite detail? Real buttons. No overcomplicated touchscreens, just good, old-fashioned controls that make life easier. And then there's the sound. Before you even see the IS 500, you'll probably hear it, thanks to that glorious V8. While most competitors have moved on to turbo 4s or hybrids, Lexus keeps the tradition alive. That alone makes this sedan special, and in the best way possible. Driving impressions and performance. The heart of the IS 500 is its 5.0-liter V8, pushing out 472 horsepower and 395 lb-ft of torque, a true standout in a world where smaller, turbocharged engines are taking over. In fact, this is the last V8 powered compact sedan available in the US. While a V8 isn't unheard of, it gives the IS 500 an undeniable edge in performance. It sounds like a proper V8, too: deep, growling, and unmistakable. During my time with the IS 500, we tackled everything from gridlocked city streets to open highways. While I would have preferred less time stuck in traffic, the IS remained comfortable and easy to drive, no matter the situation. Handling was equally impressive. Navigating through construction zones and dodging obstacles was effortless, thanks to its responsive steering. Quick lane changes? No problem. Tight turns? A breeze. And when traffic jams tested my patience, the tight turning radius made bailing out a stress-free decision. On the highway, the IS 500 was impressively quiet, with a well-insulated, solid-feeling cabin. And considering its $66,970 price tag, including options and delivery, it's one of the more affordable high-performance sedans on the market today. Braking and acceleration. Lexus claims the IS 500 can hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds, based on AMCI testing. In my own real-world attempts, I clocked it closer to 4.6 to 4.7 seconds, still plenty quick. Highway merges were effortless, and passing slower vehicles was a non-issue. And of course, the V8 soundtrack made every acceleration run even more enjoyable. Braking felt just as strong. The IS 500 gets larger four-wheel power-assisted ventilated disc brakes than its lower trim siblings. 14.0-inch rotors in the front, 12.7 inches in the rear, providing confident, responsive stopping power. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour, 4.7 seconds. Lexus IS 500 fuel economy. With that glorious 5.0-liter V8 under the hood, fuel efficiency isn't its strong suit. The onboard computer showed 15 to 16 mpg in the city, while 25 mpg on the highway was pretty spot on. You could drive in eco mode, but let's be honest, we spent most of our time in sport mode for obvious reasons. The interior of the IS 500 is high quality and very comfortable. That's one thing that I think continues to set Lexus apart from similar brands. All the materials used will stand the test of time, and the interior is very quiet. I noticed how solid the build feels when getting in and out of the sedan. The doors feel heavy and well built, while the inside is quiet. I have noticed that many news cars sometimes feel hollow or almost lightweight, but the IS feels the opposite. I appreciate the use of real buttons on the center console. Although the 10.3-inch multimedia touchscreen can be used with touch or with the dial on the central tunnel, real buttons make adjusting settings while on the road much easier. While the front seats were comfortable and spacious, the back seat was slightly compromised. The seats themselves are fine, but the legroom and headroom are smaller than one might anticipate. It will be suitable for children in short trips, but an adult might not be comfortable back there on a long road trip. Lexus uses plenty of technology, but I think they take a different approach. You won't find the latest and greatest tech that just hit the market, but that isn't bad. The technology in Lexus vehicles, such as the IS, is more of a tried-and-true approach. The infotainment system works well, and the touchscreen is responsive and easy to use. As I mentioned before, Lexus opted for real buttons instead of touchscreens for everything. It even has a CD player. Call me old-fashioned, but the buttons were great to have. Changing the temperature or media settings without taking my eyes off the road was easy. Additionally, the IS 500 came with Lexus Safety System Plus 2.5 as standard. That includes a long list of features like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, road sign assist, enhanced lane tracing assist, all-speed dynamic radar cruise control, intelligent high beam, blind spot monitor, rear cross traffic alert. I think Lexus has some of the better safety systems out there that work as described and aren't too intrusive. Rear cross traffic alert alerted me when a car was traveling at a high rate of speed down my residential street while I was backing out of the driveway at night. Road sign assist let me know I was about to enter a school zone in an unfamiliar area. Lexus made good use of the cargo area space, even though it is only 10.6 cubic feet. The opening was wide and deep, leaving room for plenty of luggage and groceries. During filming, it fit all of our filming equipment, multiple cameras, and everything else we needed for the day. For a small sedan, the cargo area was big enough for short trips, had plenty of room for the everyday necessities, and fit everything I needed for our week together. Minimum cargo capacity, 10.8 cubic feet. Overall, the IS left me wanting for nothing. The V8 power provided the fun factor everyone needs in a daily driver. The interior was comfortable and easy to use, and Lexus' timeless design will look fresh for years. When you factor in long-term reliability, not many vehicles can match what the Lexus IS offers. It offers a great balance of value and performance, along with